Dear friends, welcome to BPUT Online Exam Preparation. Today we are going to discuss B Pharma second semester pathophysiology, chapter nervous system. And this nervous system contains 40 different MCQ, and out of these 40, epilepsy contain 11 MCQ, Parkinsonism 8, stroke 10, and depression 11. So first discuss about the epilepsy, then Parkinsonism, then stroke, then depression. First, about half of the epileptic cases are caused by unknown sources. So there is no specific reason. Which of the following may indicate a seizure disorder? That means seizure is a episodes of blank staring or convulsions with or without fever or involuntary jerky movement. So all of the above indicates a seizure disorder. During the tonic phase of generalized tonic-clonic type of epilepsy, back will arc and limbs will extended. The difference between the generalized epilepsy and partial epilepsy on EEG, that is, in generalized changes are seen bilaterally. So, which of the following is not a part of the lactal state, that is, neuronal depression? Complex partial seizure could be caused by hypersensitivity of the cell membrane. Although the symptoms of seizure may differ from person to person, seizure are caused a sudden change how the brain cell sends signal to one another. Seizure can be caused by brain injury that left the scar tissue or other damage. Epilepsy is most likely to begin in adolescence age group. So the answer is adolescence. A person with epilepsy needs how much extra sleep a night? So no extra sleep needed. Which is the most common treatment for epilepsy? That is medication. So now comes to the Parkinsonism. Parkinsonism is characterized by except two of the following, that is seizure and headache. That means Parkinsonism is characterized tremor, rigidity, and abnormal posture. Parkinson plus syndrome occurs in associated with except one of the following, that is epilepsy. So principal neurochemical abnormality in Parkinsonism is dopamine depletion. Rigidity in Parkinsonism is often described as cogwheel rigidity. How is the Parkinson disease diagnosed? With a neurological examination. With the help of this neurological examination, you can detect the Parkinson disease. So, how is the Parkinson disease treated? That means with the help of medicine and surgery. Parkinson disease is marked by a lack of which chemical in the brain, that is due to the deficiency of dopamine. What is the age when the Parkinson disease first appear? At the age of 60. That means it's the old age. Most of the time Parkinson disease appears. Now comes to the stroke. What is the another name for a stroke? That is brain attack. An ischemic stroke occurs when a blood clot blocks a blood vessel to the brain. It's true. Which of these is a symptoms of stroke? That is sudden confusion, sudden weakness in the arm or leg, sudden severe headache with no cause, sudden trouble seeing. All of the above are the symptoms of stroke. Which of these lifestyle factor plays the biggest role in increasing the risk for stroke in younger adult? That is smoking. So if a person has an ischemic stroke, how quickly should the person be treated to minimize long-term problem? That is within 3 hours. Which type of medicine is given to help prevent a stroke? That is which prevent the clot forming and blood thinner. Two type of medicines which prevent stroke, like medicine to prevent clot and blood thinner. Which of these may be long-term problem after stroke, that is paralysis or weakness, one side of the body, or problem thinking and memory, or problem with language, or pain in the hand and feet. So all these problem happen for a untreated of stroke or long-term problem after stroke. A stroke is a medical emergency. It is true. What is the risk factor of stroke that you cannot change? That is age. What is the risk factor of stroke that you cannot change? That is high cholesterol. That means you cannot change the age, but you can change the cholesterol level. So you can control your cholesterol. So you can change in case if one person is suffering stroke, that means they can change their cholesterol level but not change their age. So now comes to the depression part. Depression is a mood disorder and mental illness. Depression is a mood disorder and mental illness. So what are the signs and symptoms of this depression? That is all of the above, like loss of interest, pleasure in hobby and activities, thought of death, suicide attempt, body ache, low energy, fatigue. These are all the symptoms of depression. So depression is one part of bipolar disorder. What is the other? Mania. What causes depression? Environmental factor, genetic factor, biological factor, all of the above are the causes of depression. Depression and anxiety disorder are the same. It is false. Both are not same. So depression can occur at the age 30 to 40. Which of these behavior is a symptoms of depression? That is loss of interest in all things. Which of these should you avoid if you are depressed? That is major decision. Which of these things will do more harm than good when you are trying to help a depression person? That is A and C. That is offering solution and over analyzing the problem. So proper nutrition may improve your state of mind. Which of the vitamin may help to depress mood? Vitamin B complex. So a major cause of depression in a man is increased stress. So thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.